Hello, everyone. We're giving Fiona fire truck a service.
Oh, it's been a long day. Excuse me.
Now, what's next, Mechanicals?
I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done?
Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly. Hello, everyone. Today, the Mechanicals are in garage school, where they learn lessons in mechanics. Baby Truck's engine was making a clicking sound, and that meant her starter motor needed replacing. So what did we do, Mex? We disconnected the battery, unbolted the old starter motor, then bolted in the new one before reconnecting the battery. And now Baby Truck's engine is all fixed. Oh, it sounds like someone's here. Hello, Fiona. Hi, Dandy.
Oh, Gecko! Fiona's wipers aren't working, which means we can't see properly in the pouring rain.
Don't worry, Dandy. We'll fit Fiona with new wipers right away. Next garage school lesson, replacing windscreen wipers.
Can I join garage school too, please, Gecko? But I haven't done my homework.
It's okay, Dandy. We can all learn and work together. Now, first, we unscrew the old wipers using a
screwdriver! Here you go, Gecko.
Thanks, pal. All fixed. Well done, everyone.
Oh, thanks, Gecko. I love garage school. That's the emergency alarm, which means someone needs our help. We have to go. Goodbye, friends. Oh, no. Fiona's engine won't start. Oh, it's not working.
Mex, can you hear that clicking sound? Exactly, Mex. The sound means Fiona needs a new starter motor. But you know how to do this fix. Don't worry, Mex. I'll be right here if you need me. You can do it.
What tools do we need?
Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we have to disconnect the battery. Detach the cable carefully. Great job, Red. Now unbolt the old starter motor. That's it, Yellow. Now to bolt in the shiny new starter motor. Make sure it's nice and tight with the wrench, Yellow. Finally, reconnect the battery, Red. Now, Dandy, start the engine.
OK, Gecko. Hooray! It worked! Thanks for saving the day, Mechanicals. You're our heroes!
You fixed Fiona at garage school. showed that learning is super cool. Goodbye, everyone.
Oh, hello, everyone. Today we're having a barbecue. We should wait for our guests before we eat. I wonder where Molly is. What's that, baby truck? You want to go and look for Molly? Okay, you can go, but you must promise to look out for each other too. I need to stay here to keep an eye on the barbecue. We don't want the food to burn. Be extra careful in the tunnel. It's dark in there. You must promise to look out for each other too. Grilling gaskets, these look tasty. Ha-ha! Just in time, food's ready. Molly's broken down in the tunnel and it's really dark and she's really upset and help! You did the right thing coming to get me. Well done. Now, let's go and help Molly. Lead the way, baby truck. Oh, poor Molly. Nuts and bolts, your battery's flat. Let's get you back in the daylight so we can see what we're doing. To recharge your battery, you'll need some electric power. The tools I need are jump leads.
Gecko's garage, time to fix!
Jump leads are power-sharing cables to zap energy from one battery to another. Kapow! Try it now. Molly's all fired up again. But now I'm running low on energy. Time to eat some delicious barbecued food. Oh, the food has gone cold. Never mind, I'll fire up the barbecue again. Goodbye, everyone.
You're right, Green. There's a fire. It looks like Fiona fire truck is on her way. Oh no! Mummy and Baby Truck are having a play race. They're brumming too loud to hear Fiona's siren. Fiona, it's time we fitted you with a louder siren. Come on, Mechanicals! Time to fit Fiona's new siren. That's it! We need a nice loud Neenor sound. All done! Give it a go, Fiona. That's not right. It sounds like a doorbell. Let's try again. And that sounded like a dinosaur. We need a Neenor. That was a Neenor, but it needs to be much louder. That traffic cone made you louder, Yellow. Maybe something like that will work with the siren. Now that's a loud Nino.
Bye, Fiona. Thanks for visiting Gecko's garage. It's Mummy Truck and Baby Truck. Why are you waiting out here? The tunnel's blocked and you can't get through? I'd better take a look. Whoa! There's been a cave-in. Another cave-in! We're trapped inside. Don't worry, I've got my toolkit. We're going to need a bigger toolkit. Not even Tilly's strong enough to move the rock. How are we going to get out? I didn't know you were so strong.
Mummy Truck saved the day. I'd better call Eric the excavator to clear away all these rocks. See you all soon for more fun and adventure at Gecko's garage.
Hello, everyone. We're getting ready for a carnival. The mechanicals are just finishing off their costumes. I love the jacket, Grandma.
Thanks, Gecky. Carnival is all about love. Now, where are my mini metal ones? I want to see their costumes.
Oh, a brilliant banana.
Oh, Blue, my heart.
No need to be shy, Green. You look amazing. Wait, where's Red?
Come on, you lot. Let's get this show on the road.
What's wrong, buddy? This is the design for your costume. It's amazing. It really is. It's okay to feel nervous, Red, but don't worry about what others think of you. Carnival is all about expressing yourself and being proud of who you are. And I'll always be proud of you. Oh, yay!
Hey, start your engines.
Come on, Red, you can do it. I'm so proud of you all. Let the carnival continue. Hello, everyone. We're at the campsite. It's been raining all day. But we don't mind. The mechanicals love the rain. Ah, Green has even made a little boat. She's having so much fun. Oh, go, Green.
Maybe too much fun. Poor little little green has run out of power and needs recharging.
No problem. We'll just use her portable charging bed. Huh? Spinning screwdrivers. No power? Huh. The solar-powered charging beds collect their energy from the sun. But there's no sunlight today. We need to find another source of power.
Oh, what if we gather the energy from the rain with a water wheel?
Huh? Great idea, Grandma. We can channel the rainwater to turn the wheel.
And we can use the water wheel to power a dynamo, which turns movement into electricity that we can charge green. I'll have a look in Miles's hatch. No. Nope. Aha! A dynamo.
Let's do it! What tools do we need? Wrench. Chisel. Gecko's garage. Time to fix. Gecko's garage. Let's fix this. The first part of our water wheel scheme is to chisel out a channel to make a stream. Fix spoons to the wheel and the wheel to this pin so the water will give the wheel a spin. The water wheel drives the dynamo, creating electricity to help green go. Oh, it's working! Green's powered up and ready to go.
And just in time for us to recharge with a nice cup of tea.
Thanks, Grandma. Bye, everyone.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Vehicle Olympics! There are so many exciting events like Loop Jump, Go Tilly! And gymnastics! And now the 100-meter race is about to begin!
With this new turbo booster, we can't lose, Sly. That golden medal is as good as mine. I mean ours.
On your marks, set,
Wobbling whiskers, come back, Sly! You're going the wrong way! Uh-oh.
well, Mr. Weasel, you won!
And you don't even have any wheels.
Sly's out of control, Gecko, I need help!
Pardon?
I cheated, Gecko. I'm sorry. I just really wanted to win a medal, so I attached a turbo booster to Sly, but now he's out of control. Please.
I need to get close to Sly to turn off that booster. But how? Aha! We'll save Sly with help from Eric, the discus throwing digger! Make me fly to Sly, please, Eric!
Oh, careful, Gecko. Bullseye, Gecko!
I've got to remove this booster! The tool I need is a screwdriver! Gecko's garage, time to fix! Left-for-looser, and no more booster!
Oh, Sly, Hey, you're okay. Thank you, Gecko.
I hope this has been a lesson for you, Mr. Weasel.
I promise I'll never cheat again. Probably.
And a gold medal to Eric for the longest throw.
They're so shiny.
I would like to present a gold medal to Gecko for saving Sly.
That must have hurt.
Can you save me, please, Gecko?
Sure, Mr. Weasel. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today, we're all collecting litter that can be recycled and used again.
But recycling is so boring.
Great idea, Mama. Let's have a recycling race. Whoever collects the most litter wins the trophy.
Huh? A race, you say? Now we're talking. Ah!
How about we work together to pick up litter? Then we'll collect more. Great job, everyone. Keep going.
Faster, Sly! I need that trophy!
Mummy truck is full already. Let's get back to Mama Recycle.
Come on, Sly! We have to beat them!
Oh, what's that noise? Are you okay, Mummy truck?
Move aside! We have a race to win!
Oh no! Mummy truck has a can stuck in her wheel. We have to remove it before we can continue. But I don't have a jack to lift Mummy up and remove her wheel.
I have a jack you can use, Gecko.
Nuts and bolts. Yes, please, Mr. Weasel. That would be a great help. What tool do we need? Drill wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we loosen these bolts and remove the wheel. Pull the can out, please.
You dirty.
We can recycle that. Now retighten the wheel. And we're ready to race again. Thank you, Mr. Weasel. Mr. Weasel?
Where's my recycling?
Now it's our turn to help you.
Really?
Well done, everyone! We collected so much recycling today.
But Mummy Truck has the most! That means I lost the race!
There are no losers, Mr. Weasel. We collected so much because everyone worked together. Caring for our planet is important and fun. To keep it clean and green for everyone. Goodbye.
Does that mean I can take this home?
Oh, hello everyone. Today, we're enjoying some time out in nature. Oh, look at Blue. Oh, wow, the hammock acted like a parachute. I think you should sleep in the tent tonight, Blue. It'll be safer. We're missing a peg for this guy rope. Can you fetch one from the back of Tilly, please, Green? Sounds like Grandma's having a nap. Thanks, Green. Shush, Tilly, or you'll wake. Grandma! Oh, no! This isn't a peg. It's the toe pin to connect the caravan to Tilly. Soggy spark plugs! Now Grandma is floating away! Follow that caravan! Check the map, please, Green. Maybe there's a bridge ahead to help us. What's that? There's a giant waterfall ahead! nuts and bolts! We have to save Grandma fast! I'll try and stop the caravan using Tilly's tow hook. The hammock! I have an idea! You drive green and get alongside the caravan. Made it. I can use these bolts to attach the hammock to the caravan. The tool I need is a drill wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix! Hang on, Grandma! This could get bumpy.
What a lovely restful sleep. Gecky? Many metal ones?
Grandma! Are you okay?
Of course I'm okay. Oh dear. Looks like you need a nap, my lad.
I think you're right, Grandma.
I dreamt I was canoeing down river rapids and then parachuting. Oh, what a beautiful waterfall. I don't remember seeing that when we arrived. Maybe I should canoe down it.
Goodbye, everyone. Wow! Great job, Mechanicals! A clean garage is a happy garage. That's odd. We're losing power. Something must be wrong with our solar panels. Oh dear, the sunlight's being blocked. But that's no normal cloud. Let's go and investigate.
Try now, Dylan. I don't understand. Your engine should be working fine. I followed the instructions.
Morning, Mr. Weasel. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine, Gecko. I give up.
Let me take a look, Dylan. The bad news is we'll have to take out your engine, Dylan. But the good news is I've got a brand new one that will be much better for you and for everyone else. Perfect. We're going to need the sun's help. And so is Dylan. This battery will charge with power from the solar panels, whilst we fit Dylan's new electric engine. Looking good, Dylan. Good job, Green. Clean customers are happy customers. And a cleaner planet is a happier planet too. Hello, everyone. We're working on Bobby today. Ready for your brand new wheels, old friend. Shiny rims, fresh tyres, the lot. Huh? Oh, I just need to answer the phone. Mechanicals, can you start fitting Bobby's new wheels for me, please? Hello, Gecko's garage. How are you, Grandma? That was a bit dangerous. No, the mechanical fire. Oh, yes, please. We'd love some apple pie. Yes, 10 bites is plenty. Thanks, Grandma. Huh? Sorry, Grandma. I've got to go. It's a wheel emergency. Tilly! Rusty wrenches. Bobby's wobbling all over the place. Tilly's winch will help hold Bobby. Phew, that was close. Huh? Bobby's wonky wheels are all wrong. Steering screwdrivers. That's not supposed to be there. Never mind, mechanicals. Everyone makes mistakes. Sorry, Bobby. The right wheels rolled away when we weren't looking. Let's get you back on the road. What tools do I need? Drill? Jack! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! We'll start with the wheels at the rear. The motor sends the power back here. I'll tighten these nuts so we can be sure Bobby's wheels won't wobble anymore. Now your wheels all roll the same, it's time to hit the road again. Ah, thanks, Bobby. We'd love to come for a ride. Well done, mechanicals. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes as long as you help to fix them. Goodbye, everyone.